Now question number 18, which is 3x plus 2y equals 17. 3x plus 2y equal 17. This is the first equation, and the second one, I will change the color this time. It will be 2x plus 5y equal 26. Now, as you see here, I have a problem because the coefficient of x and the coefficient of x in the first and the second equation different, and the coefficient of y in the first equation and the second equation also different, and I cannot make any coefficient like each other until I have to multiply both of equation with two different numbers. How come I decided to make the x has the same coefficient? Because of that, yeah, Ayman, I will multiply this equation. I do like this, my dear student, to make sure I multiply all the elements of all the terms of the equation by 2. Okay, now if I multiply it by 2, I will get 3 or 6x plus 4y equal 34. So I'm done from this. Erase it. Now the second one here, the second one, clearly I will multiply by 3, but be careful to make sure they have the same number, I mean the x here, and with different sign I multiply this by -3. Okay, multiply this by -3. Okay, so the first term will be, I mean by the first term, this term will be, yes, will be -6x -15y, and the last one, okay, it is -78. So did I miss anything? I don't think so. Now see to the system here. Here I have 6, I have -6. Okay, I'm so happy, and I'm ready to add the equation. I say to you, I prefer to add the equation because it is easier for you. Okay, and adding simple or simpler than subtraction, because if you add sometimes, subtract sometimes, okay, you will fall in the mistake uh, uh, sometimes. Okay, now if I add this will be eliminated. Actually, I will remove it, throw it here. What I have here, yes, great. I have here, I add, remember, 4, I have 4, and someone want -15, so Ayman, how many y's I have at the end? -11 y equal, and 34 and 44. Yes, thank you, it is -44, and I will be happy if you divide by -11. Don't subtract, be careful, because it is multiplication, so you need to divide. And here -11. So here will disappear, all cancelled, and the minus. Okay, and 44 divided by 11, it is equal 4. Yes, it is 4. So this is the first value for y. Now let us find out what is the second value. We go back to the original equation, which is here. I choose any one and put the value of y on it, or plug the y in. Okay, choose one, Ayman. First or
The
second?
first.
Okay, the first one, which is 3x plus 2 multiply 4. From where we get the 4? From here, my dear student. Okay, equal what?
17.
Yes, equal 17. Now, I multiply 2 by 4, get 8. And remember, you try to make the x alone. So you have to,
-8, -8.
yes, -8, or you throw this here and change the sign, yes?
Yes.
It will be negative. 17 minus 8
9.
equal 9, thank you. And then divide by 3, divide by 3. The 3 will disappear, and 9 over 3 equal 3. So
3
so
and
the
4.
yes, the system, so the solution of the system is 3 and 4, because it is equal to x and y. And remember, the x equal 3 and the y equal 4. And what this means, the solution is the 3 and 4. So these two values make the system here, the system correct, yes? If you plug in the x equal 3 and the y equal 4, the first equation and the second equation will be true. Okay, this is the meaning of the solution. Okay, now let us do the last one. Okay, which is number 19. The first equation, 6x, I will rewrite it here. I will do this. 6x minus 3y equal 15. And the second equation, it is 7x plus 4y equal 10. As you see, different, they are different, so I have a problem. And the 3 and the 6 cannot be 7, or the 7 cannot be 6, yes? Okay, so I need to multiply the first equation and the second equation with two different numbers. So I'm going to eliminate the y, by the way. The 3 and the 4, I know they are meeting where?
12.
12. So I will multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 3. So, okay, this by 4 and this by 3. Okay, the first equation will be, Ayman,
28x
or you mean 24?
24x
Yes,
minus 12y
minus
12y
12y equal
equals 45 60.
60. Okay, make sure you multiply this by 4 and this by 4 and this by 4. So I'm done from this. Now the second one, 3 multiply 7. Make sure you
21x.
multiply by all, okay, my dear students. The 3 multiply by all the terms. Yes, go ahead.
21x
21x
plus 12y
I'm so happy now.
equals
Yes,
30.
equal
30.
30. Now I have two equations, new equivalent equations. And as you see here, I have plus 12y and minus 12y, and this will be gone later after I add those two equations. So each time I'm just adding, no subtracting. Okay, Ayman? Why? Because I make sure the y's here have the same number but with different sign. So I need to add only. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Because of that, Because of that, this will be eliminated. I will throw it. Okay, what I have here, I have, sorry, add them, Ayman. Can you help me to add them? 45. Yes. 45 what?
X
X. My dear
Equals
student, I add this with this, by the way.
equals 90.
And then I will add this with this. Adding easier than subtracting. So this equal 90.
And then divide by 45, divide by 45, which equals x equals 2.
Yes, this divided by 45 to make the x alone and happy. And this eliminated. Yes, x equal 90 over 45. By the way, 245 equal 90. Because of that, x equal 2. This is the first value, which is x equal, let me erase this. Okay, thank you. We almost done. Now we are going to find what, Ayman?
The y.
The y. I go back to the original system and bring with me what, x equal 2, and choose one equation, 1 or 2. Choose one, Ayman. 2, plug in the x equal
6.
Okay.
The upper one.
Oh, the upper one. Okay. I will rewrite it again. 6 multiply 2. I'm here, my dear student. 6 multiply x. I replace the x by 2, by the way. Negative 3y as it is equal 15. I just remove the x. Okay, see what I did in the slow motion, my boys. It was like this, my dear student. It was like this. What I did, I removed this. Sorry. I remove this and bring this. Okay. It is 6 multiplied 2 equal 12, yes?
Yes.
Now, how we make the y alone, Ayman?
Plus 2, minus 12, minus 12.
Or I bring this and put it here, but it is original sign, it is plus, so I will change it to minus.
So 3.
Equal 3. And then?
Divide negative 3, divide negative 3.
So I will divide by negative 3 and negative 3 here, y, and 3 over 3 equal 1, and don't miss the negative. So y equal negative 1 and x equal 2, and the solution for this system is 2 and negative 1. Thank you, Ayman, and thank you, my boys, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.